In this video, we will show you how to share between Android smartphone and Windows operating system using Nearby Share by Google. In here, I'm using Windows 11 and I will connect into my Android smartphone first. And on the right screen in here, this is my Android smartphone if you can see, and Nearby Share is installed by default on Android operating system. As you can see here, this is the Nearby Share and this is official by Android and Google, so we no need to install the Nearby Share on the Play Store or etc on the Android smartphone, and we need just install the Nearby Share into our PC. As you can see there, this is by Android official, so you don't be worried to get this application. To get this link, just see on the pinned comments. After that, we can download the Nearby Share for Windows in here, and I will put into my desktop for example. You can see there the icon like Google Chrome. You can just click open in here and the Nearby Share will start automatically. Make sure you connect it into the internet because this is need the internet connection to install this application. After the installation done, as you can see, the icon we place in here, just open this by double clicking, and you can see there the Bluetooth is needed to turn on if we need to send the file from our PC to our smartphone. In here, I don't want to share between these windows into my smartphone, but I want my smartphone or my Android send file to my Windows easily. In here, I will open my smartphone. You can see there. And in here, you need to select Retrieve from everyone. Okay. And you can also sign in if you want, but in here, I just using anonymous, not sign in. And after that, let's share one files. For example, let's open our photo or files in the our Android. For example, let's send this picture. I want to send this picture, just clicking the send button in here. Okay, you can see there, and then you can click the Nearby Share, and we need to set our location to on in here. Okay, just set the location to on in here, and as you can see there, our device on my PC is detected. This is the device name. You can configure the device name in here. Also, where is the file will retrieve, and let's see, just send into our Windows. Click this. You can click accept on our Windows site. Okay, you can see there, it's very fast. Let's click open. Now the file on my smartphone, okay, you can see there, is sent successfully into my Windows, and it's very fast, of course. And that's all tutorial how to share files between Android smartphone and Windows operating system using Nearby Share by Google. Hope this video helpful for you.